So it's the night before, about to head back on the road, but this time Lauren actually gets to come with, since I spent the whole month of January pretty much by myself, and this time we are actually going to road trip up to Keystone, Colorado. So in addition to Lauren finally getting to come on one of our trips, we're also taking Lauren's little sister Amiee and her mom Helen with us on this trip. So you'll see them in the background every once in a jumping up and down. Okay. Hi. Say hi in the back.
Hi.
Not you.
Mom.
Hi. There we go. Good enough. They are so excited to go, they didn't get up.
We got up nice and early and hit the road. We made it to Amarillo, and first stop, Chick-fil-A.
All right, we made it to Colorado. Took a quick pit stop at Chipotle for lunch. We are gassing up for the second time?
Yeah.
Second time we're getting gas. And we have a 3-hour drive all the way up into Keystone. All right, guys, well, we are finished with the drive. It was a long day, but it really wasn't too bad of a drive. Ended up being about a 13-hour drive or so. We stopped 2 times, grabbed a bite to eat, stretched the legs, and then kind of beelined it directly for Keystone. So we just picked up the skis, which are down in the ski locker, which I'll show you in a little bit. And we just got to the condo, and we are currently in the process of unloading. But before we unload, we wanted to show you the condo real quick. So we are staying in Buffalo Lodge, which is in River Run Village, and this is condo 8329. So you first walk in, you got a little coat rack area for everything, our bottled water, Lauren. And then to the left, you have a really actually cool kind of little kitchen. Full size oven, microwave, range, and refrigerator.
And a dishwasher.
And a dishwasher. Oh, I didn't see the dishwasher. And a dishwasher. Then you have the kind of dining room / living room. Past there, we'll go over there in a second.
Easier.
Hard right
With your changes.
here. Then you have a restroom. Pretty basic, but restroom. Clean. This the battle. And then you've got a bedroom with a queen size bed, somewhere between the two.
It's a queen size.
Closet, ooh, with a bunch of cleaning supplies in it that just fell over. Nice little TV, and then you got a window that we haven't opened yet that overlooks outside. And then, so nice little 4-seat table. Just a couch and a little chair, a couple of lamps. Nice fireplace and a TV. So just kind of actually really good spot, especially for 2 people. You could probably fit more than 2 people in here, but we don't want to.
And the fireplace is automatic.
Yes. You flip the switch. Oh, and there's little fox and moose and bear and stuff on the wall over there. Yeah, and there's a little switch over there. You just flip the fireplace on and off. I'm not sure if it's producing much heat or not, but then one of the cool things is we actually do have a little balcony. And then off of our balcony, we actually have a view of River Run Village. So, actually have the entrance to River Run Village right there. So when people come in, whether you're staying here or not, you walk right through. And there's restaurants and bars and coffee shops and all kinds of stuff right here. And then you go through that way. And then right at the end of all of these condos in this little plaza area is the gondola lift. which we will check out tomorrow. So yeah, that's our condo for a week.
Not bad.
Not bad
I'm
at all.
liking it.
Before we go to dinner with Amiee and Helen, we will show you the locker area and a little bit downstairs.
Yeah.
So there's amenities, like there's a pool and hot tub. Probably won't go in there because that's a little weird filming people in their bathing suits. So if there's nobody in there, we'll film it. If there is, then take our word for it. And then there's also a couple pool tables, like a lounge area with a big screen TV, that kind of stuff. So we'll show what we can down there.
Sure.
And then we'll go get some food, maybe walk around the village just a hair, kind of get a preview of it, and go to bed because I'm tired. We've been up for a really long time and got very little sleep. So anyway, we'll see you downstairs. So staying here at the lodge, you actually get a locker that comes with your unit that you store your ski boots and your skis and your poles and or snowboarding gear and all that downstairs. So when you come in, you don't have to keep taking it up and down to your condo. Listen, it's a nice secure place to leave all your gear. There's just a little key that's in the unit whenever you check in, and then you come down and you can unlock it. I forgot my key, otherwise I'll show you the inside of it. Yeah, it's a really, really cool little feature. So the condo, in addition to the common areas, has a couple of different hot tubs out here that you're free to use. Also, it has kind of a little bar area, and then it also has a couple of pool tables, as well as you can see another little lounge area like on the other side of that fireplace over there. So really cool amenities. We made it here to Colorado. We got to show off the condo that we're renting for a little bit. Really didn't get to look around too much. We kind of got in, we're really, really exhausted from the trip. Had a really good drive.
Yeah, absolutely.
It was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Super proud of Amiee and your mom. They actually didn't make us stop 14 times, which we were a little nervous about. We only stopped twice, which is great, which we needed gas both times anyway, so we're gonna have to do that regardless.
Yeah.
So now we are in the condo. We went to dinner.
Yeah.
We went to a place called Kickapoo Tavern because we were half asleep, exhausted, and starving. Well, I was starving. Well, everybody else really wasn't, but we ate. It was great. If we go back, we'll film a little bit there. But it was really good, kind of American style food. But I got a burger. It was great. You had?
I had a tuna sandwich, and so it was good. It was solid food, a little expensive, but at this point it was kind of worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good food.
Just like everything else at Ski Village, it's a little expensive. So, but we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. Tomorrow we are hitting the slopes if we get out of bed. Because quite frankly, I'm really tired, as I've said 1,000 times in this ending now.
Yes, you have.
So, really, really. So we will catch you guys tomorrow out on the mountain.